afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, madam.
মাননীয় সদস্যগণ নিজ নিজ আসন গ্রহণ করুন।
Thank you, madam.
আজ 29শে ফেব্রুয়ারি 2024। I, Kaveri Mondal, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the elective assembly, do swear in the name of the God, affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Thank you for joining us. Honorable members, before I take up the business of the day, I rise to perform a melancholy duty to refer to the sad demise of Dr. Monishankar Bandyopadhyay, ex-member